man.
What's going on, my guy? You all right?
Man, I can't complain. How you been, man?
Doing good, doing
I
good.
finally caught up with you.
Yeah, there you go, man.
What you got in this thing now, man?
5 XT4 18s on 537Ks.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Still learning this walleye.
Behind your back, you'll be surprised.
Oh, yeah, I forgot you in the wall.
Walk in. That alley oop.
Yes, sir. I sure appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Let them know they can find you on social media, man.
Clay Ward on Facebook, DK Cowabunga on TikTok.
Y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below, man. It was good seeing you,
Yes,
bro.
sir. Good seeing you, man.
You